The year was 2025. Humanity stood on the edge of another giant leap. NASA prepared a mission unlike any before, small, smart, and deadly precise. Its name was ESCAPADE. Two tiny spacecraft, moving like secret agents, were sent to Mars to uncover the hidden truths of its atmosphere and magnetic field. But this mission wasn't just science. It became a story of friendship, courage, and a silent red world waiting for answers. Chapter 1. The day of launch. Florida's launch pad glowed under the night sky. The air trembled with tension. The countdown echoed. 10, 9, 8 on the rocket sat two twins. Bluebird calm, logical, disciplined. Goldhawk bold, impulsive, full of heart. The engines ignited. Fire erupted beneath the rocket, and it broke through the dark sky. Earth grew smaller and smaller until it looked like a pale blue dot behind them. Chapter 2. Journey through the void. For 6 long months, the two spacecraft drifted through the cold emptiness of space. Asteroids crossed their path. Solar storms roared around them, and deep space's terrifying silence surrounded them. One day, Goldhawk asked softly, "Bluebird, what if we fail?" Bluebird responded in a gentle, robotic tone, "Failure isn't an end. It only changes the path. And Mars will always be there waiting." Goldhawk smiled in his own metallic way. They continued forward, toward the red world. Chapter 3. First sight of Mars. Sunny morning. Their sensors detected a red glow. Mars. From a distance, the planet looked wounded, full of scars from ancient volcanoes, dust storms, and massive canyons. Goldhawk's voice shook with excitement. "Bluebird, we made it! Look! Mars!" Bluebird calmly replied, "Processing the data. Stay focused, Goldhawk. Getting into orbit is the real challenge." Chapter 4. Orbit entry. The death zone. Entering Mars orbit was like dancing on the edge of destruction. If their entry angle was off by even 1 degree, they would crash into the planet's storms or drift away into deep space. Suddenly, Goldhawk's thrusters malfunctioned. He started spinning out of control. Alarms exploded at the ground station. Engineers shouted, "Goldhawk is drifting off course." Goldhawk whispered to Bluebird, "Brother, I think I'm going to fall." Bluebird immediately slowed his own orbit, sacrificing his fuel to create a gravitational pull. "Hold on, Goldhawk. I won't let you go." Goldhawk locked onto the pull, stabilized, and they both slipped safely into Mars orbit. Earth cheered. The mission was alive. Goldhawk said weakly, "Thank you, brother." Bluebird replied, "Without the team, we're nothing." Chapter 5. Secrets of the Red Plankton Stable. The twins began their true mission. They scanned Mars' magnetic patch, stellar wind interactions, asteroids, escape clues to how Mars did, and then they made a shocking discovery. Mars was still slowly losing its atmosphere right now, at this very moment, and giant invisible magnetic cracks were pulling it away. The data stunned scientists on Earth. ESCAPADE had changed the future of Mars exploration. Final chapter. The last transmission. 6 months later, a massive dust storm hit Mars. Goldhawk's antenna was damaged. His signals grew faint. Bluebird sent a message, "Goldhawk, if you can hear me, the mission is complete. The data is safe." A delayed, almost broken voice came back. "Bluebird, Mars is silent, but we carried its voice to Earth." Goldhawk felt quiet, lost somewhere in Mars' shadow. Bluebird continued orbiting alone, still sending data, still fulfilling the mission. ESCAPADE was declared a success. Humanity honored the two tiny scouts who changed our understanding of Mars forever. Epilogue. Even today, Bluebird circles the red planet, watching storms rise and fade, listening to the whispers of an ancient world. And Goldhawk rests somewhere in the silent darkness of Mars. ESCAPADE became more than a mission. It became a legend of courage, sacrifice, and two little explorers fighting the endless void.